What's going on, guys? It's my block here. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own piglin loot farm. And guys, before we get into today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below any video suggestions you have. Now guys, let me show you how this piglin farm works, and then I'll show you what you will need for today's build. So guys, as you can see here, I'm going to press this lever many times and you can see the trading has been activated. If I go into this chest, you can see what the piglin has given us by all the trades. So it's given us some fire resistance, some fire charge, and it's still going now some blackstone, soul speed 3. So this is quite efficient for many of you, as you can get loot and you will need quite a bit of gold, but you can just make a gold farm for this and you should be fine. So guys, a quick disclaimer, you don't need 7 polished blackstone bricks, you can use any blocks you want. And guys, now let me show you what you'll need for today's build. So guys, for today's build you will need 7 blocks of your choice, 2 redstone torches, 1 redstone repeater, a lever, 7 redstone dusts, 2 chests, 1 hopper, 7 glass, and remember it's a thick glass, don't bring the panes or this will not work. A yellow carpet, I just picked a yellow carpet down to personal preference, it's your choice which colour carpet you have. A dropper, and guys, you can pick which gold you want, you can either pick the block of gold or the nether gold, or it's entirely your choice. And guys, the 11 rails and this 1 powered rail is entirely your choice. I'll be showing you 2 ways you can use the rails or without. But guys, just stick around until the end of the video to see if you want to use the rails or not. Guys, now let's get into today's build. So guys, how you want to start this build off, just place 1 block down and build it 1 up, and place another 2 blocks to the side, to the left and right. And then guys, from here you want to place a torch here, break this bit, put your repeater here, then put a torch, and then put some redstone here. So guys, you should be able to see this flickering, and for now you can just turn this off like this and it will stay like that. So guys, once you've done this, you want to place 2 chests here, so 1, 2, then on top you just want to place a hopper, so just press shift and put the hopper up here. So guys, now over here you want to try and place a block. So for instance, you can just put a mud block here and then put a block on top, and if you build it up by 2 around, build it by 1 here, and then place your carpet down here on top of the hopper. So guys, once you've done this, now you want to get your redstone. So guys, you want to get your redstone, and I'll do this, so there should be 3 along redstone. The next bit, you want to put 1 block, it can be any block, it doesn't matter. Guys, you just want to build it up to this glass block. So you can use any block for this bit, it's entirely your choice. Now you just want to build up to here. So guys, once you've done this, this is a bit where your rails will come in handy. You don't have to use rails, it's entirely your choice. I'll show you another way where you don't have to use your rails, but this is to get your piglin into here. So guys, what you want to do is get the blocks of your choice. Well, it just can be mud blocks, to be honest, because you're going to be removing this after. You just want to build this down. Once you build this down, you want to get your rails and your 1 powered rail. This powered rail will just give you the extra boost so the piglin can get up. So once you've done this, you just want to place 1, 2, 3 over here, 1 power rail all the way up to here. So guys, once you've put your rails together, just get a redstone torch and put it there, and place your Minecraft cart down. So guys, once you've done this, you just want to place a redstone torch there and get your cart and put it there. Guys, now you just want to find a piglin around near you, which I'll quickly go do now. So guys, I found a piglin. Now you just want to get him and try and push him in. This will take a little bit of time, hopefully not too long. Guys, I'll get back to you as soon as I've gotten back in the cart. Guys, now what you want to do is get your piglin and then just push him into the cart. And now from the back, you just want to hit the cart, go up, and then guys, you can just hit the cart and he'll go in. If not, you can just break the glass from the bottom and then just hit the cart. So guys, this is one way of doing it. Now let me show you another way of doing it without the railways, if you don't want to go to all that effort to making the railways. So guys, now I'm going to show you the other way how to do it without any rails. And guys, don't panic, you don't have to use a lot of effort for this. You can just use cobblestone and some cobblestone stairs. So guys, from the top you just want to build it down to the floor. Once you've done this, get your stairs and bring them up. Once you've built your stairs up, you don't want to go any higher, you just want it so there's a block here and then your glass. And guys, now you want to go get your piglin. So guys, once you've got your piglin, you want to use some gold ingot, so then you have enough time to just push him. You can do this with the same on the rail, so when he's using it, he's trying to find a trade, just take him up. So guys, once you've got your piglin up, just want to get him into the hole. So guys, once you've got your piglin in, it does take a bit of time, but it's fine, you can get him in there, because you'll find a lot of piglins around. Just tempt them with a gold ingot, just do some trading with them. You will need a bit of gold, but other than that, you just need to get them in there. So guys, once you've got them in there, you can just remove these stairs. And now on top, you want to get your dropper, and then just some blocks, any blocks, your choice. And then you want to have the dropper coming down like that. So guys, once you've done that, now you want to get your gold. So guys, once you've got your gold and your sticky pistons, just put your sticky piston over there, it should come out, and then get your gold. Like I said before, it's your choice, the gold or whichever one. And guys, if you do like this, it will not work. So, and I know quite a lot of you got excited, but no, you're gonna have to put some gold in here. So if I just put it over here. Now if I keep on doing this, the piglin should start trading. And as you can see, it's going into the chest, and you can just reuse the gold and put it back in there. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and remember to comment any video suggestions you have. And guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you lot in the next video.